Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a complete e-commerce store using OpenCart with HostArmada hosting. OpenCart is a free and powerful e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store, add products, manage orders, and accept payments. The best part is that HostArmada provides one-click installation using Softaculous, so you can set up your store in just a few minutes. In this tutorial, I will show you how to install OpenCart, how to access the admin dashboard, how to create product categories, how to add products to your store, how to delete the existing products, and how to view your live online store. So let's get started. First, log into your HostArmada hosting account. From Hosting Service Dashboard, click on cPanel. cPanel is the control panel where you can manage your website, files, databases, and applications. Now, on the left side of the screen, click on the WordPress Manger by Softaculous. Softaculous allows you to install many popular platforms such as WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, OpenCart, and many other web applications. In this tutorial, we will install OpenCart. The OpenCart platform is available under the e-commerce section. Click on the OpenCart tab. A new side panel appears for the installation of the OpenCart platform. Now click on the Install Now button. Here you will see the installation settings. First, select the domain name where you want to install OpenCart. If you want the store on your main domain, simply leave the directory field empty. Choose the latest version from the drop-down. Next, scroll down to the store settings section. Write the store name. I am writing as Gadget Hub, and the store description, your one-stop solution for premium electronics and gadgets. You can write it as per your own choice, so make it suitable and punchy. Now enter the store owner name and store address. I am giving the store owner as TechFin Team and a random address, but you fill the exact address details. Now let's look at the Advanced Options section. This is an important part because here you can configure the backup settings. Backups are very useful. If anything goes wrong with your website, you can restore it using these backups. So make sure to choose the settings carefully. First, select the backup location. Then choose the automatic backup frequency. In this example, I'm selecting once a day, so the system will automatically create a backup every day to keep the website data safe. Next, enter the admin username, a strong password, and the admin email address. For the admin email, it's always better to use a professional or brand email address, because this email will later be used for your store notifications. For example, OpenCart will use this email to send order confirmations, customer notifications, and other store-related emails. In my case, I'm using orders@techfin2k.com. After that, enter your first name and last name. Once everything is filled in, scroll down and click the Install button. Now Softaculous will start installing OpenCart automatically. This process usually takes just a few seconds. And that's it. OpenCart is now successfully installed on your website. Once the installation is completed, Softaculous will show two important links. The first link opens the live store. Let's click on it and see how the OpenCart website looks. As you can see, OpenCart automatically installs a default store layout with sample products and categories. This is the basic structure of your online store. And open the second link, which is the admin panel. Here we can log in using the admin username and password that we created during the installation. Now I have logged into the OpenCart admin panel, and this is the OpenCart dashboard. This dashboard gives you a quick overview of your store, including total orders, total sales, total customers, and people currently online. You can also see recent activity and store analytics, which help you monitor how your store is performing. From this dashboard and the menu on the left side, you can manage different parts of your online store. In the next steps, I will show you how to create categories, add products, and manage products inside your OpenCart store. Now let's look at the categories in the store. If we open the main store, you can see that OpenCart already comes with some default categories, such as desktops, tablets, phones and PDAs, and MP3 players. Now I will show you how to edit and rename these categories. To do that, go to the left side menu, click on Catalog, and then select Categories. Here you can see the list of all the categories available in the store. First, let's change phones and PDAs to mobile phones. Since there are many categories here, I'll just search the category to change the name. Here is the Phones and PDAs category. Now I'll click on the Edit button, which is the pencil icon. This will open the category editing page. Here, in the category name field, I will change it from phones and PDAs to mobile phones. Below that, there's a mandatory field called meta tag title. I will also change this to mobile phones. Once everything is updated, click the Save button at the top right. Now the category name has been successfully updated. Next, let's change another category. I will search for MP3 players, select it, and again click the pencil icon to edit. Here I will change the category name to audio and headphones, and also giving some description, and I'll also update the meta tag title with the same name. Then click Save. Now I will refresh the page. As you can see, the category names have been updated successfully. The earlier categories phones and PDAs is now changed to mobile phones, and MP3 players changed to audio and headphones on the store. This shows how easily you can edit and customize categories in OpenCart. Now let's customize the color of the category header and menu bar. By default, OpenCart uses a blue color theme. In this example, I'm going to change it to a light orange color. To do this, go to the left side menu, click on Design, and then select Theme Editor. Now, click the Add button at the top right. You will now see a new screen where the status is enabled, and below that you will see the template code editor. Here you can choose the file that you want to customize. Since we want to change the header and menu color, select Common/Header. Once selected, the header code will appear below for editing. Now I'm going to paste a small custom CSS code that changes the header and category colors. Now I'm going to paste a small custom CSS code that changes the header and category colors. First, I'll locate the head section at the top of the file, and then scroll down to find the closing /head tag near the bottom. Once I find the closing head tag, I'll paste the custom CSS code just above it. This will apply the styling changes to the header and menu colors of the store. After pasting the code, click Save. Now if we go back to the store page and refresh it, you can see that the default blue header has changed to a light orange color. Here I'm also showing the before and after comparison, so you can clearly see the difference. If you want to use the same styling, I have included this CSS code in the video description. You can simply copy the code and paste it in the header section like shown here. And if you want a different color, just replace the color codes like hashtag FF9800 or hashtag E68900 with any color of your choice, and your store theme will change accordingly. This is a quick and easy way to customize the design of your OpenCart store. Now let's see how to add a product in OpenCart. From the left side menu, click on Catalog, and then select Products. Here you will see the list of products in the store. To add a new product, click the Add button at the top right. This will open the Add Product screen. First, in the General tab, enter the product name. Here I'm entering iPhone 16 Pro Max. Next, add the product description. For example, I'm entering iPhone 16 Pro Max, 256 GB variant. Then enter the meta tag title, which is usually the same as the product name. Now move to the Data tab. Here we enter the model number. So I'll enter IP16PM 256. Next, enter the price, which in this example is $1,199. Then enter the quantity available in stock, so I'll enter 50. Next, go to the Links tab. Here we can connect the product with its manufacturer and category. For the manufacturer, I'll select Apple. If you don't find the manufacturer in the list, you can easily add a new manufacturer from the catalog section on the left menu. Next, select the category for the product. Here I'm choosing mobile phones, which we edited earlier. Now, go to the Image tab. By default, OpenCart shows a placeholder image. Click on the Edit icon, and a new window will open where you can upload product images. Here I'm uploading the 3 product images that I downloaded earlier. Once uploaded, you will see a message saying Success. Your file has been uploaded. Now select the first image as the main product image. If you want to add additional product images, click the Add button. Then you can select the other images that were uploaded earlier. Here I'll also add the third image as an additional product image. Next, go to the SEO tab. Here we need to enter the SEO keyword, which is used to create the SEO-friendly URL for the product page. You will also see a note here that says do not use spaces in the keyword. Instead, spaces should be replaced with characters like hyphens or underscores, and the SEO URL must also be globally unique. To demonstrate this, I'll first enter the keyword as Apple 16 Pro Max with spaces. Now, when I click Save, you can see an error message saying, "Please check the form carefully for errors." This happens because spaces are not allowed in the SEO keyword. So instead, I'll change it to Apple_16_Pro_Max. Now when I click Save, you can see the message success. You have modified products. This means the product has been successfully added to the store. Now let's go to the store page to see how it looks. I'll open the mobile phones category, which we edited earlier. And here you can see the iPhone 16 Pro Max product that we just added. If we click on it, the product page opens and you can see the 3 images that we uploaded earlier, along with the product details. This is how you can add products to your OpenCart online store. Now let's see how to delete products from a store. Go to the left side menu, click on Catalog, and then select Products. Here you will see the list of all products currently available in the store. Some of these are default sample products that come with OpenCart. To delete a product, simply select the checkbox next to the product name. Here I'm selecting Apple Cinema 30 and HP LP 3065. After selecting the products, click the Delete button at the top right. OpenCart will show a confirmation pop-up asking if you're sure you want to delete the selected products. Click OK to confirm. Now you can see the message Success. You have modified products. This means the selected products have been successfully deleted from the store. Now let's go to the store homepage and refresh it. As you can see, those default products are no longer displayed, confirming that they have been removed from the store. So that's how you can install OpenCart, customize categories, change the theme color, add products, and manage product in your online store using HostArmada hosting. If you want to learn more about HostArmada hosting performance, pricing, and real testing results, you can check out my detailed HostArmada review. The link is in the description below. In the next video, I will show you how to add PayPal payments and configure email notifications for your OpenCart store. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more website and hosting tutorials.